Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make Chipotle's carne asada, but better at home. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by making our marinade. To my blender cup, I'm going to be adding about 5 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Going to be adding 1 teaspoon of honey, 5 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, 1/3 of a cup of oil. I'm using avocado, 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning, or you can use soy sauce. And for our spices, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of coarse salt, 2 teaspoons of chipotle powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove. Now we're just going to close it and blend until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our marinade. Now we're going to pour it on 2.5 pounds of flank steak. I already cut it into small pieces, but of course, if you want to leave it as a whole, you can do that. But just make sure to cut it against the grain. And just pour it. And just make sure that the whole meat gets nice and coated. Close it and allow it to marinate for at least 4 hours. Okay, so once our meat has been marinating for at least 4 hours, now we can get ready to cook it. So I got my skillet over medium heat. Going to add a little bit of oil. I'm just going to be adding my meat and cook it in batches. Make sure not to overcrowd it. And this meat is going to cook very fast. So in about 2 minutes, I'm just going to give it a couple minutes and allow the meat to cook. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. And after a couple minutes, our meat should be fully cooked. So now just remove it from the skillet and repeat the process with the rest of the meat. Okay, so once we have cooked all of our carne asada, now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and once we get ready to serve, of course, you can serve them in tacos, burritos, bowls, however you want to enjoy them. Here I'm going to be enjoying them in tacos because you can never go wrong with tacos. And just top them with a little cilantro and onion, and of course, my salsa. So just add it on top. And I added a layer of avocado on the bottom because let me tell you, this is honestly the best. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious, so flavorful. The meat, tender, juicy, and of course, you know, if you don't want it to be on the spicy side, you can always just add less chipotle peppers, but this right here is honestly perfection. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Like I said, flavorful, it's so tender, it's so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my super easy and delicious Chipotle's carne asada. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.